COVID-19 was believed to have started in bats, and we know that because the genetic sequence of the virus that infects people has been analysed. It's thought that it jumped from bats to what's called an intermediary species, and we think that's the pangolin, and then from pangolins to people. Now, both bats and pangolins were traded across what's called wet markets in China, and also countries way beyond China too. And that's where basically animals are trussed up in cages, piled one on top of another, in very close contact to each other, but also, of course, in very close contact with human beings. And so this is where zoonotic diseases, as they're called, normally start, is when you've got people in contact with wildlife that they would never normally be in contact with.
Of the 51,000 media articles about COVID-19 published in the first month of lockdown, only 2.1% mentioned the word animal. This was surprising because the scientific community had been predicting a pandemic like COVID-19 for years due to the intensification of animal farming. Whether it was avian flu coming from factory farms, repeated bouts of swine flu from pig farms, MERS being the result of the way humans treated camels, and SARS stemming from civet cats, scientists have been warning us for years that our treatment of animals is leading to an ever-growing number of outbreaks.
In this age of emerging plagues, we now have billions of feathered and curly-tailed test tubes for viruses to incubate and mutate within, billions more spins at pandemic roulette. Along with human culpability, though, comes hope. If changes in human behavior can cause new plagues, well then changes in human behavior may prevent them in the future.